This is Brent with KansasHydrographics.com, coming back with another pattern review. We call this Angry Bird. It is 50 centimeters wide. It is a full color print. There is a lot of transparency in this print. One of the reasons why we do these videos is this is also, we've never dipped these films, and not all of them even make it to the website or YouTube because they just don't pass quality control. This is a way we can keep the quality up on everything that we sell, and that's how we can back up our products 100%, where they're user-friendly and they work. If they're so difficult to work with, we just won't sell them. So we've got a pile of stuff in there that mostly would just be trash. We might use it for training purposes to show what junk films look like and how they react. That's Angry Bird on a white base coat. Pretty colorful. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.